gone. She's on parole.
Yeah, man, she did bite me hard.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, that's why if you go like this, it like calms them down. It's like talking like,
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
like if you do that with like a nose surgery.
I'm not even filming. I started zoning out.
What do you do? What, you're staying up? Probably why we had so much commercial conversation. Probably just like programming, motherfucking out. I'll be doing Family Guy shit at fucking work, like thinking in my head the same way.
Oh, dude, but
you can actually do it, and like everybody's looking like.
Look, with the Family Guy thing, shit. That's just their funny ass moments that it's perfect time. That reminds me of time and that kind of thing. But the robot chicken, yeah, that's certainly hilarious too. What are you doing?
Yeah, man.
Oh yes, sir. Yeah.
Get some video of it. Oh shit! She's attacking me. I'm getting attacked.
Ow! Not the spot.
Fucker! Ow! Quit it, dude. Damn! That fucking hurts. I want to.
Swatter, like what she does. Like,
what are you doing?
She's gonna punk you out if you don't.
All right, yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you just gotta watch. Yeah, just.
I don't want to be too slow because she's fucking. She's caught up. She's locked on me. What are you doing, you fucker?
All right.
Oh, that was tough. What you doing, man?
You locked in.
You're locked in.
That's the shitty thing. Quit it.
Was she biting you hard?
No. All right, no. Once I realized that she was a
or
I'm used to saying it. That's okay. See, I'm being bitched out by the little fucking bird.
Yeah, just go like that. What she does.
Oh no, I got a
tappy tap. A little like fucking
this fucking
dude tappy tap. She is tapping in the hole.
She's tripping me out.